get it, I reinvest. After I get it, I reinvest.
Hai, Salam Malaysia Madani, Salam UiTM di hatiku, and Salam Red Hot. I'm Nur Aina Sofia binti Dudi Noram Zamnas, the president of KELAB.
Hi, I'm Raina Jihaduti Azman, Vice President 1.
And I'm Nur Najwa binti Muhammad Sufi, Vice President 2 of
International Business United Club IBUC for session 2024-2025. IBUC is a club dedicated to promote knowledge and interest in international business, providing a platform for students to engage and network through various activities. Simple say, at IBUC, we make this our home where Red Hot fly high together.
Now, let's meet the mastermind behind our journey, our club advisor, Sir Muhammad Hisham bin Abidin.
Hi, Sir Hisham here. Welcome to IBUC.
Next, our club consists of 25 members with 7 head council and 4 exco, leading and organizing activities to promote international business and networking.
At IBUC, we focus on creating engaging experience that bring our community together and reflect on our core value. Some of our successful programs are Pandai 4.0, Asagala Night Dinner, and also Sip and Sit with IBUC. And now, we are excited to share our upcoming event. First, the Crack the Market Code Talk that will cover global business topics and offering expert insight into navigating international market. And lastly is IBUC Mega Meetup that provide a platform for members to reflect on the past year and to discuss future plans.
You guys might be wondering what is our achievement for IBUC, right? So now let's dive in and take a look. So here are some achievements that was achieved during SAP. In netball, our team dominated the competition, bringing home the gold medal. In volleyball, our team secured a silver, proving their strength and tenacity on the court. Next, our soccer squad also excelled, finishing strong with silver finish, showcasing their competitive spirit. Meanwhile, during Maya, our Rampayan dance team took the spotlight, winning gold for their captivating and energetic performance. In the duet rap category, our dynamic duo also claimed gold, showcasing their incredible talent and creativity. Congratulations and well done to all of our athletes and performers. Moreover, on last semester, IBUC proudly won 4 awards at Mali. The first was the Community Service Program Award, presented to Project Leader Muhammad Zulfikar bin Abdullah for the Korban and Wakaf Telaga in Cambodia 3 project. Next, our club advisor, Sir Muhammad Hisham bin Abidin, received the Best Advisor Award. With this achievement, IBUC was honored with the Best Club Award for 2023. So, how is it our team? Is it exciting? We guarantee that students will not only learn something new, but also enhance your teamwork skill.
We hope all the IB students can join all the events that we're going to do, and I hope we can be a family. That's all from IBUC. Red Hot signing off. Bye-bye.
IBUC, integrity, intelligence, honor, respect. Thank you.
I know you've been you don't baby,